Welcome to the Discount Shelving Sales Learning Center. In this video, you'll learn how to plan and order RX Bay units for virtually any pharmacy layout. RX Bay units are used in a variety of healthcare environments. Below is a list of the types of establishments that use these RX Bay units. We'll cover the available configurations, sizing options, and key features to help you specify the right solution with confidence. RX Bay units are designed to organize prescription medications and supplies while maximizing your pharmacy's valuable storage space. They help you maintain a clean, professional appearance and provide a durable, long-term storage solution. Each unit includes 7 adjustable shelves that can be repositioned in seconds without the need for tools, making it easy to customize storage as your inventory changes. The first step is to measure your space and determine the layout of the units you plan to install. We need to know if you need wall units, which get placed against a wall, or aisle units, which are 2 individual RX Bay units placed back to back and bolted together. Finally, choose the lengths you need. RX Bay units are available in 5 lengths: 15-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch, and 48-inch. If you choose a double-sided aisle display, 15-inch end units can be added to either end for additional storage and a clean, finished appearance. Each end unit adds only 7.5 inches to the overall length. All units measure 84 inches high with a 7.5-inch shelf depth. They are built from heavy-duty steel and come with a durable ivory-baked enamel finish. We maintain a large inventory, and most RX Bay units are ready to ship. To learn more or place your order, visit discountshelving.com. For complete assembly instructions, watch our high-quality installation videos with close-up views and detailed step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching this video. We are ready to serve you.